Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Tara with Pieces of Tara Artistry. I'm going to be doing a pearl pour, and you can see the consistency of the paint is kind of like a heavy cream or a whole milk. That is the white pearl recipe as well as the colored pearl recipe that you just saw flashed on there. I am going to be using both. That purple that I'm using is actually some drips that I am reusing, but I did add some dioxazine purple to it just to kind of richen it and make it a little bit darker. So that is what's going on there. And then the white is the white pearl cell recipe. Now in the recipe you'll see that I have golden GAC 800 or color pouring medium in 1.5 parts. Right now I am using those interchangeably because it's really hard to get a hold of the gallon jugs of the golden products, which is a lot less expensive if you do it that way, and they're just not making the gallons right now because of supply issues. So I've just been using them interchangeably. When I did speak with Golden about their color pouring medium, it's basically the GAC 800 properties are in the color pouring medium, but with some different other improvements within it. So the color pouring medium was supposed to kind of take the place or be the improvement of the GAC 800, which was Golden's first color, or their first pouring medium. So just so you all know that, and that's why I'm using them kind of interchangeably and why you can. So you'll see that I just went ahead, I stretched out the base coat, and in this type of a pour, the satin enamel goes in just the base coat, not the puddle pour, which I just poured of the Golden Interference Gold. There's no satin enamel on that. So in order to get the pearls, you have to stretch a paint that does not have satin enamels over top of a paint that does have satin enamels, if that makes sense. So this is actually a commission. A wonderful viewer asked if I would go ahead and do this for her. It's a similar one to a painting I did a few videos back, but in blues. So she loved it. She said that she would really like it in purples for her bedroom. So this is for Kathy. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this one. I am going to do the Dutch pour over top of it, and I do fiddle around with it a little bit. I wasn't super happy with how the edges turned out, and I did add in some color where it was kind of missing. So I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm always super happy to answer any questions. If you like what you're seeing, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I put out a new video. Give me a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and check out my dad's channel, DJ Fluid Arts. He's doing some cool paintings on glass. So go check that out. Actually, I'm putting in some of this Juniper Shimmer. This is Pourage Posse by Christina Welch. Her paints, and it is a beautiful color. That Juniper Shimmer is just gorgeous. So I will go ahead and link her channel below, and her link to her Etsy shop where you can buy that. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye everyone.